Well, good afternoon, Mr. Shuddho.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, now I would like to ask you that please tell us something about your journey of last 3 months. What have you learned? What's your benefit? Tell us something in 2, 3, or maximum 4 minutes, okay? Please.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to say something about that. Good afternoon, everybody. I think you are all fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Firstly, I convey my heartfelt thanks to Holy Cross English Institute and my mentor, Mr. Mark Sir, um, for their human education program and for always being selflessly by our Kurigram residence site. My name is Bhubhushandra Shuddho, but many people jokingly call me Buddhu. I'm a student of Holy Cross English Institute. The batch number is 205. My father first learned about Holy Cross English Institute through Professor Chinmoy Rai. Then I learned about this institution from my father. After that, when classes started, I was very shy at first and I felt scared because when first I started class, I did not know anyone. However, as the class progressed, my shyness and anxiety began to diminish because slowly I got to know everyone. I started mingling with everybody, and that's how I slowly become sociable boy. From now on, I have learned how can be mixed up with other people. Before this course, I did not well in English. This before this course, I finished this course. I speak very well in English. During the course, Mr. Mark Sir uh, relentlessly taught us English. Sir taught more things about study, salutation, and we tried to understand the lesson. Sometimes I could read much English, sometimes I was wrong, but Sir would explain the lesson beautifully. But I do not make any mistakes now. I would like to express my heartfelt love to Sir once again for extending his helping hand to me. Thank you, sir.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Anyway, I have gained a lot of knowledge about many topics through this course, and it is my firm belief that I will be able to apply the benefits I learned from this course in my future life.
Of course.
And by educating myself in life and educating others, I will be able to build a well educated country. Please keep in your prayers so that I can fulfill this dream of mine. Lastly, I wish may God keep sound health and long life, everyone's. Please forgive me if there are any mistakes in my statement. Thank you for giving a patient. Thank you,
Thank you
everybody.
so much. Thank you.